আসসালামু আলাইকুম। দেশ এবং দেশের বাইরে থেকে যে আমাদের ভিডিও দেখছেন সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আজকে কিন্তু খুব একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভিডিও হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তাই ভিডিও না টেনে সম্পূর্ণ দেখার অনুরোধ রইল।
Step down, step down. Step down, step down. Step. The reason we here, as you know, unconstitutionally, Dr. Muhammad Yunus took the power illegally. Actually, he captured the power with dirty politics and a lot of people killing. So far in this,
20,000 people.
so far as we know, our elected Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina did not resign. We are humble request to UN that since they couldn't prove themselves that she resigned, so our humble request, he did not represent Bangladeshi people here.
No, only for that.
Our humble request, please ignore him. He doesn't represent people of Bangladesh.
He's the
Thank you.
terrorist.
No.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Sheikh Jamal Hussain.
You all are from Awami League?
Yes.
I am from Awami League Party. Yes,
I have a
absolutely.
question.
Thank you.
Sir, what's your name?
My name is DM Ronald.
So you are all.
I'm on the. Yes, absolutely right.
What is your demand?
Our demand peace. We believe in secular democracy. After he took the power by force, he started killing Hindus, Muslims, Christians. They're burning all houses. They're burning masjid. They're burning Girja church. Our people is not safe in Bangladesh. We had a freedom fight 1971. We 30 people was killed and assassinated by Pakistan. Those Pakistani people, the fundraising against Bangladesh, they want make our country against Bangladesh. They are terrorists and they don't believe in secular democracy. So we are, if we need, we're gonna do another war against Pakistan because we never forget our 30 million people was killed and assassinated 1971. Joy Bangla.
I'm Shahana Rahman. I'm Awami League supporter, and we really believe.
What do you want to say now?
I said English is not belong in Bangladesh. He don't do any of this. Like in United States, you have a plug, you buy a credit card, you have to pay the loan. He do the same thing in Bangladesh. That's why he's very suffering. He said he belonged to a student, but student killing another student as a Awami League. He don't belong. He don't believe in Sheikh Mujibur. He don't believe in 71. We have a war. He don't believe any of them. We shame on him. He should not be there. Jai Bangla, Jai Bangla.
My name is Dr. Rahman. I am here to protest an illegal, unelected person representing 170 crore people of Bangladesh. 170 million people of Bangladesh. And not only that, no, I'm coming to that point. He is not elected. He has been appointed by students. So he doesn't care. About minorities. He doesn't care about anybody. He doesn't care about minorities. He cannot care about anybody. He said he's appointed by students. He's accountable to students only. So he doesn't represent 170 million people of Bangladesh. So he's illegal. He's not elected. He's forcefully, illegally occupied the country and coming here in Bangladeshi currencies. Those currencies are Bangladeshi people currency, not his money. He stole 60,000 crores of money from Bangladesh.